Giant Hershey's Kiss?
Yum, yum, yum.
Purple chocolate Coke? No.
Good.
Giant purple M&M? Giant purple egg?
Give me 2.
Wait, son, don't ignore me after seeing me. I am Jesus Christ. Whoever likes this video and subscribes to the channel and sends a red heart in the comment will get good news within 2 hours. And after liking and subscribing, after clicking on the remix option, if you type on use this sound, then some magic like this will happen.